Good morning to you from the NASDAQ market site in Times Square. I'm Joya Doss for The Street. Today is Friday, December 19th. Well, it was a blockbuster day on Wall Street yesterday where the Dow jumped over 400 points on assurances from the Fed that it won't be raising interest rates anytime soon. Oil is always worth checking on because it continues its decline and checks in at about $55 a barrel. The U.S. futures markets are pointing to a higher open this morning, but international stocks are looking mixed. Quick check on your board there. You can see that the FTSE 100 is up 0.4%. The DAX 100 under a little bit of pressure, down 0.3%. The CAC 40 doing the same, down 0.3%. The Nikkei, however, jumping 2.4%. In your earnings news, Nike posted better than expected numbers in the second quarter. Footwear sales in certain parts of the world were really strong. Nike stock, you can see last trade here, 97.08. You know, where they were really strong was particularly in Western Europe, where sales grew 25%, and in Greater China, where sales grew 29%. Now, looking forward, we actually could see some pressure on shares of Nike today because worldwide futures orders were 7% higher than at this time last year, but that number is still short of analyst expectations. Moving along to our next stock before the bell here today, Blackberry is expected to turn in earnings. BBRY is a ticker symbol. You can see that the stock is up a little bit in the pre-market already. Now, no big surprises expected here. The company continues to lose market share to Apple iPhones and devices operating on the Google operating system. In the meantime, of course, Google has introduced all kinds of new products, including a partnership with EasyPass. It's also introduced the Passport. Probably the most encouraging release came yesterday when the company introduced the classic Blackberry device, hoping to recapture its core business customer. Now, the last stock we want to talk about here is Samsung. We actually don't have it up on the board because it does not trade here in the United States, but the company making headlines as it's raising its annual dividend payout for this year by 30 to 50%. Now, Samsung is reportedly sitting on one of the largest stockpiles of cash in the world. This news also comes on the heels of an announcement of a $2 billion share buyback announced just last month. But anyway, this move, the dividend payout, is going to assuage investors who've been asking for higher returns. It's also going to quiet analysts who've been a little bit concerned about slowing growth at the smartphone maker. Keep in mind that operating profit at Samsung fell by 60% in the third quarter from the same period a year ago. All right, that is a wrap for us this morning at the NASDAQ market site, but we're going to have a lot of breaking news and analysis for you all day long at our website. For The Street, I'm Joya Doss. Have a great day.